Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the disco bed and share my thoughts after using it for 5 years. Let's get started. The order includes 2 beds which can be stacked as bunk beds or used as a bench. Each bed comes with a carrying bag containing all necessary components. It's important to note that the frames for each bed are different, which matters when assembling them into bunk beds or a bench. The custom-designed carrying bags correspond to each bed's frame, so be mindful of matching them correctly. First, set aside the organizer and bed fabric. I'll begin with assembling the upper bed for the bunk setup. Follow along if you have the bed with you. While assembly isn't difficult, ensure you have ample space around you. Start by covering the legs. Now let's look at the bottom bed for the bunk configuration. Notice the frame differences? Let's proceed with assembling the bed frames. There are 2 methods. First, assemble the poles and then slide them into the bed fabric. Second, slide each section in and connect the joints as you progress, ideal for tight spaces. Secure the discs to the poles and insert them into the side frames, ensuring they're fully seated for security. Repeat this for the other sides. Attach the side organizer, and you're done. I won't demonstrate assembling the second bed as it follows the same process. It's recommended to assemble the beds before bringing them into your tent. Now let me share my thoughts on this product, including its pros and cons. On the positive side, the beds are heavy-duty and robust, with tightly stretched fabric that's still comfortable. Assembly is straightforward, and everything fits neatly into the carrying bags. There's extra space under the beds for storing items when camping, and they can convert into bunk beds or a bench. However, the frames are quite heavy due to their durability, which may pose a challenge for those with back issues. Assembly can also be tricky in tight spaces. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. Despite its weight, I appreciate its strength and the convenience of fitting it into my car without any hassle. I use it not only for camping, but also for accommodating guests at home or hosting sleepovers for my kids. If you've used the disco bed, share your experience in the comments below. I hope you found this video helpful. Please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more practical how-to and product review videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.